Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free task manager software for any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Task Manager Deluxe. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download now. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here TMX and TMX64, so you can use either one of this. So I'm gonna use the 64-bit version, that is the TMX64. Just double click on it. So you can see there is a difference of this task manager. So here you will see a tons of options. The first one is a process. That means all the processes that are being running on my Raspberry Windows computer will be shown up here. And next option is services. That is all the program services that is being running on my Windows computer. Next is sessions. Next is auto runs. Next is network. Next is disk. Next is GPU. Next is performance. So under the performance you will see here tons of options including the CPU, GPU, everything here. You can see even the hard disk details here below. And the last one is the system, regarding all the system informations here. And there is one more options on the right side, desktop explorer. So you can see here it's showing about the object, process and mouse, positions, colors, everything. And below you can see here you can get a magnifier, display, foreground and monitor layout. So you will get this much of options inside this task manager. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free task manager software for any Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.